I'm here to help. A sound plan. Certainly. Feel my wrath.
Our forces are under attack.
For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. Betrayer of the light. Feel my wrath. For honor.
Bless you, Prince Arthas.
But what about the others who were taken away?
Don't worry, son. We'll find them and bring them home safe.
Prince Arthas, Lord Uther needs you at the Orc encampment immediately.
Never a dull moment. Let's get moving.
Good timing, lad. I sent 2 of my best knights into parley with the Orc leader. They should be returning shortly. Damn. These Orcs will never surrender.
Then let's get in there and destroy the beasts.
Remember, Arthas, we are paladins. Vengeance cannot be a part of what we must do. If we allow our passions to turn to bloodlust, then we will become as vile as the Orcs.
Yes, Uther.
Now, if you're feeling up to it, I want you to lead the attack.
Me? Well, of course.
I'll remain here and ensure that none of the loathsome beasts threaten the camp.
I won't fail you.
I know you won't, lad.
Forward. All right. Yes, me lord. What? Righto. Job's done. Job's done. More work. Yes, me lord. What is it? More work. Job's done. What is it?
Ready for action.
Ready for action.
I stand for the light. Is there danger? I'm here to help. It isn't easy being a prince.
Ready for action. Ready for action. Ready for action. Ready for action. Yes, my liege.
Paladin fool! The warlocks of the Black Rock clan have spoken. Soon, demons will rain from the sky, and this wretched world will burn.
Yes, I've heard this rhetoric before. You orcs will never learn. It was only a mirror image. Damn it! What are these curs up to?
The hour of doom approaches. Let this paltry sacrifice appease our demon masters.
You sick bastards. You'll never get away with...
Slay the orcs. Slay them all!
Ready for action. What do you need? Ready for action. Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord.
I stand for the light. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Of course.
Betrayer of the light.
For honor. You are past redemption. Of course. Feel my wrath. Justice has come. A sound plan. You are past redemption. For honor. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.